Animal Teams by Rachel Mann. Essential question: how do animals help each other? Can a small bird help a big giraffe? Can a shrimp help a fish? Yes, they can. These may seem like odd friends, but many animals work together in teams. These animals help each other in lots of ways. Let's find out how. Some birds live off the backs of big animals. Why do the animals let the birds stay? The birds help. They eat bugs off the animal's skin. The big animals help the birds too. They keep the birds safe, and it's a good deal for them because they have lots of sweet bugs to eat. The goby fish and the blind shrimp make a good team. The shrimp can't see, so the goby helps. The goby looks out for danger, and the shrimp stays close. When the goby flicks its tail, it means that it's time to hide. The shrimp helps the goby too. It will go into a hole to hide. It lets the goby hide there too. The shrimp and the goby hide until it's safe to go out.
修出报告，修出报告。